What is going on, you guys? It is Professor NFT here. So this is just gonna be a quick video, you guys. I'm not gonna uh tell you guys of any upcoming projects that are coming out because the meta is changing, you guys. But before we get started, this is not financial advice and you should always do your own research. All right, so Gcan Studios came out today, another big hyped mint that released. Floor price looking pretty bad for the amount of followers this had. Just let's check out the followers. In this video, I'm just going to talk about the market, you guys. And I think we're starting a new meta, which is sort of the builder meta. But as you can see, they're at 287.8K and just the 4 FP. We see as well other hyped up projects like Chirp and Ape Tribe. 35 floor price. All right, so this is where it gets good, you guys. A lot of projects that are building are doing big things. Of course, I am gonna mention Wagwoo, Ghost Kid DAO. So this is one that I actually called in my Discord. I called it around let me show you guys here. I called it around when it was at 10, and right now we are seeing a floor price about 18.79. And remember, my Discord's free, you guys. I don't charge for alpha or anything, but I bought in at 10, you guys. A bunch of people bought in at 0.1, 0.2. It was a 0.1 mint. Ghost Kid DAO. You even see their followers, they're at 8.7K. Nothing compared to Gcan Studios. We're in a different meta right now, you guys. I think people are investing their money into builders, and that's something I always said in my Discord. This is going to pop off even more, in my opinion. This project, I'm real bullish on, you guys. The community is great, you guys, really strong. I'm getting those early sets on crack vibe before they pumped really big. I see this a lot in this community, straight up. And this is something else, man. The roadmap is looking hella nice too. You can't go wrong with that. So they're saying this roadmap, they're going to complete it in a month. And if you guys have the chance, go look more into this project. But yes, and right now the floor price is pretty high, but there's a bunch of different projects you could put your money into. Smart Sea Society is one as well. Moonly. So I mentioned it in my Discord as well at around 6 floor price. They're almost at 10 FP. As well, Panic Station Pythons. I've been seeing this showed a lot by a lot of influencers on Twitter, but that's probably one as well, you guys. Alder Mages. So if you guys don't know about Alder Mages, and they actually pumped. I think they were at like 5 SOL floor price, and they're at 7.70. This is another builder project. The team's great, you guys. Team full of builders, of course. And that's pretty much it, you guys, for this video. I just want to let you guys know where you are heading towards a different meta. All these hyped up upcoming mints, just be careful with them. It's nice getting whitelisted, but the builders are where you're gonna make your money, you guys. Of course, one more I forgot to mention, Soulfold is one of them as well. Builders, of course, their floor price ain't that high. Let me see. I heard Dragon. I heard it's a good DAO as well. A lot of projects, you guys, to look at. The only thing I just don't like about this, the holders, the supply. So it's easy to manipulate the floor price. But yeah, just go look, you guys. Research every project, check them out. Check Gators is one of them too. They're at a floor price of 2.85. I think they're going to pump in a bit as well. Remember that. They'll probably pump to like 4 FP, 5 FP. But most of these are builders. If you have pretty much a lot of liquidity, you could go for an Atadian. These, I see them going for sure above 40. They're trying to create pretty much the first credit score system for the Solana blockchain. You guys check them out. But that's all for this video. Wagbu, Hopefully, any of the ghost kids looking at my video right now, real bullish on the DAO, go ahead, give me a like, subscribe as well. I'm out, you guys. Wag boo.